Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some significant economic news coming out of Ethiopia. The International Monetary Fund, or IMF, just wrapped up a key visit to Addis Ababa and the initial feedback is looking promising. So, what exactly happened and what does it mean for Ethiopia's economy? Let's break it down. An IMF team, led by Alvaro Piris, was in the Ethiopian capital from October 30th to November 13th. The main goal of their trip was to discuss the fourth review under something called the Extended Credit Facility, or ECF. Think of the ECF as a support program from the IMF designed to help countries facing long-term balance of payment issues. This review is a crucial checkpoint to ensure everything is on track. After 2 weeks of intensive discussions, Mr. Piris released a statement. He mentioned that the team made good progress towards reaching a staff-level agreement. Now, this is a very positive sign. A staff-level agreement is the first major step before the final approval by the IMF's Executive Board. It shows that the IMF staff and the Ethiopian authorities are largely on the same page regarding the country's economic policies and reform efforts. While the in-person meetings are over, the work isn't done yet. The discussions are set to continue virtually over the next few weeks to iron out the final details. Mr. Piris thanked the Ethiopian authorities for their warm hospitality and productive conversations. During their visit, the IMF team didn't just talk to government officials. They held high-level meetings with key figures like Minister of Finance Ahmed Shide and the Governor of the National Bank of Ethiopia, Eyob Tekalign. But they also broadened their scope, engaging with representatives from private banks and companies. This is important because it gives the IMF a more complete picture of the economic landscape beyond just the government's perspective. It shows they're listening to the private sector, which is the engine of job creation and growth. So, what happens next? Based on these preliminary findings, the IMF staff will prepare a detailed report. This report will then go through an internal approval process before being presented to the IMF's Executive Board for discussion and a final decision. If the board approves the review, it will unlock the next portion of financial support for Ethiopia, which is vital for stabilizing the economy, managing debt, and pushing forward with ambitious reforms. This news is a hopeful indicator for Ethiopia's economic future. Positive progress with the IMF can boost investor confidence and signal to other international partners that the country is on a stable path. We'll be keeping a close eye on the virtual discussions and the final decision from the IMF's board. What are your thoughts on this development? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you found this update helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more economic insights. See you next time.